I'm Jamie from Studio 24 at Salon Republic, and today I'm going to show you how to diffuse hair for straight hair. Usually we use diffuser for curly hair, but if you're wondering how to use diffuser for straight hair, I actually don't think it's necessary, but if you insist to do it, basically what diffuser does is to block the wind of the blow dryer, so the heat will come out of blow dryer, but you won't like mess it up the hair too much. So when your hair is wet, apparently the model's hair is kind of dry, but you can just use diffuser, put a diffuser on a blow dryer and turn on the blow dryer, and you can just kind of hold the hair. So you can either use your hand or a brush. So you can see what I did. Basically, this just kind of dries the hair without changing its form. So basically, when your hair is straight, the hair will be dry, but you will just be straight. I'm Jamie from Salon Republic, and this is how you use the diffuser on straight hair.